Good afternoon, town meeting members. My name is Mike Cronin. I am the Director of Public Facilities for the town of Lexington. Tonight, I'll be discussing Article 16D, which is the Public Facilities Mechanical, Electrical, Plumbing Replacements, specifically for the Fisk Elementary School. So to just refresh everybody's memory, the Facilities Capital Improvement Program is really informed by our 20-year capital plan. And as part of that capital plan, we have developed 4 silos. One is for site improvements, which talks about school paving, which means the asphalt, the driveways and the parking lots, and for the concrete sidewalks. Interior finishes, which could be things like flooring, painting, bathroom refreshings, etc. Building envelope and roofing. Building envelope is really talking about the windows and the masonry systems. And then, of course, the roof is all of the flat roofs that we have, the different styles. And lastly, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And those are some of the infrastructure systems that oftentimes will need some replacement over time. Believe it or not, the Fisk Elementary School will be turning 20 years old this coming year. Energy recovery units have a 20-year useful life. So we are beginning to plan for the replacement of these systems. As part of that, some of the systems have begun to fail. The scope of this project includes replacing the fossil fuel rooftop energy recovery units with all-electric units. Similar to the Harrington Elementary School project, which was funded in 2024 by town meeting, it'll be completed in 2 phases. At Harrington, phase 1 was completed last summer in the summer of 2025, and phase 2 will be scheduled to be completed this summer in 2026. That will follow the same trajectory for Fisk. It'll be 2026 and 2027. It is expected that the electrical infrastructure will need to be upsized to accommodate the new power requirements. This upgrade is included as part of the scope of work. Here's an aerial photograph of the roof at the Fisk Elementary School. You'll see that the dark coloring is the roof material itself, and all of those light white and gray colored boxes are the rooftop units. There's about 29 separate pieces of equipment that'll be included as part of the scope of this work. Here's a close-up view of some of those pieces. On the far left-hand side, you'll see an energy recovery unit. A little further off in the distance there, you'll see some fresh air supply. In the middle picture, you'll see some of those rounder shaped items. Those are exhaust fans. So that takes the spent air that's in each one of the classrooms or in one of the areas and pulls it out of the building. And in the bottom right is some of the a reverse look at those same types of pieces of equipment. The request, Article 16D appropriation. This request is to appropriate the sum of $4,565,000 for the replacement of the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and related components and systems that have exceeded their useful life, and all incidental costs related thereto. That to meet this appropriation, $4,083,459 be appropriated from the general fund, unreserved fund balance, $242,332 be appropriated from the tax levy, and $239,202 be appropriated from the unexpended bond proceeds authorized and issued under Article 16E of the 2022 annual town meeting. Thank you for your consideration.